I'm that nigga. You do your homework, you know how I zone. Call me mister. As far as I'm concerned, it's only one Joe.
Y'all know who it is. If not, you about to know. Shout out to all the websites that been showing me love. I mean, World Star, Smash, Hip Hop Game, DX, you know, hip hop. I mean, look, it's a monumental occasion. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, they call me Sirius Jones. You might have heard of me. Am I the illest alive? Why certainly. You know these battle rap niggas just can't spit a hot track. You heard King me, you know this is not that. Lot of drug talk, but the shit is not crack. You niggas already know how I get in combat. Flashback.
You whack your whole career. Ain't it 2 billion people in China? You can't even go platinum over there.
Sirius Jones got every A&R in the city looking for him.
Signed a DTP, and niggas said I was ludicrous. All this who did this is foolishness. I knew this shit was harder than it seemed. That's why when the camera's on, I be making a scene like
yeah, I've been living the fast life, fading, and I know I need it just so. Take a minute to breathe.
Yeah, and that was just thoughts off a Kush high. See, I try to be nice, but now I just say
goodbye to the good guy. I was a good guy. I let these niggas play me, and I just stood by. They don't respect it till you let them hear the click clack. Oh, my revenge sweet, time for the get back.
I got some shit dropping, ain't pigeons. Serious business, it drops Thanksgiving. Apologize for the tracks y'all might miss, but I'm blessing y'all with some classes like this.
Yo, check. See, I'm the captain of my own ship, and I float so swift. Peep how I sail a boat, telescope focus. I move right through your speakers and I blow piff. I do dirt, but I'm cleaner than the soap dish.
That ain't close to it. See, I'm rolling on the road to rich, so classic is how I'm supposed to get. See, my life is a drama. I wrote a script, and it go a little something like this. Zone, cause the game whack, I'm jaded. If it ain't family, better be check related. Just make sure you got your MySpace updated. I got an online album, check for the greatest. Show them the cover just so they remember. By the way, that's coming December. My face on blast. I mean, really, it's on myspace.com/Sirius Jones. Gone.
Niggas acting like it's a joke out here, well, is that slander I'm tasting? Good thing I'm a fan of the hate and grab the bullshit by the horns, no ramification. Superman turned his cape in, I jump in the booth and Chris Reeves give a standing ovation. I blew up